Hey guys, this is Joe with you here from Avi Co. Today we'll be doing another unboxing video of the Royal Oak Chronograph, the rose gold edition with the blue dial and the blue alligator strap. Hope you guys enjoy the video. So let's take a closer look at what we have here. This is the 41mm Royal Oak Chronograph. It's crafted in 18 karat rose gold and is matched perfectly with this blue alligator strap. Not only that, but this blue dial is just beautiful. The detail and the texture of this dial is just stunning. I love the two-tone of the rose gold sub dials as well with the blue dial. It just looks beautiful. And it houses the 2385 calibre. It's an automatic movement. The functions of this watch is the chronograph, the date, and the basic timekeeping. This is the novelty edition. It's available in blue or in brown, like what I have. They're both just beautiful. And to be honest with you, the 41mm is a great size. Fits so comfortable on the wrist. It's available for any type of occasion you have. A wedding, a sports event. It's just the perfect watch.